Martin has a pencil case which contains 4 blue pens and 3 green pens. Martin picks a pen at random from the pencil case. He notes the color and then replaces it. He does this 2 more times. Work out the probability that when Martin picks or takes 3 pens, exactly 2 are the same color. So what we do here is, now there are 4 blue pens and there are 3 green pens and total 7 pens. Now how can Martin pick the pens? So the Martin can pick the pens. He can have 1 blue pen, the first pen, and then so he can have 1 blue pen and he can have 2 green pens, or he can have 2 blue pens and 1 green pen. So these are the 2 separate cases that we have to work out the probabilities and then we have to add them. So if he has 1 blue and 2 green pens, now again there are ways in which he can pick the pens. So he can pick the blue first and then the 2 greens, or he can pick 1 green, blue, and then another green, or he can pick a green, and then a blue. So 3 cases within this thing, 3 ways to do it. And then here the same, you can have blue and a green, and a blue and a green and a blue and a green and a blue and a blue. So if we now think of how to do 1 blue and 2 green, so 1 blue and 2 green, 1 blue, 2 green, this would be, blue is 4 out of 7 multiplied by 2 green, so the next pick will be 3 out of 7 times 3 out of 7. So that would give us 4 times 3, 12 times 3, 36 out of 343. Now this thing is again done thrice. So there are 3 ways to do it. 1 pick, 1 blue and 2 green. So we have to multiply it with 3 and we would get 6 times 3, 18, 8, 108 out of 343. Now we go to the next case, that is 2 blue and 1 green. And the ways you can do it would be 2 blue. So the first one would be a blue, 4 out of 7, times 4 out of 7 times 3 out of 7. That is 16 times 3, 48 out of 343 multiplied by 3, and that would be 4 and 2, 12 into 14 out of 343. So our answer would be the total of the 2. So the answer is, so our answer would be 108 out of 343 plus 44 out of 343, and that will give you 2, 4, 2, and 145 and 252 out of 343. 343, 43, and that's the answer.